In today's video, I am going to teach you Claude Code is now 100% free. We will do this by swapping Claude Code's default, paid API for free alternatives. The idea is simple. Point the Claude Code CLI at open source models running locally with a llama, or at free hosted inference providers like OpenRouter and NVIDIA NIM. You will keep the same developer experience. Just change where the model requests are sent. First, use a llama if you want models running on your own machine or through a free cloud-hosted llama service. Install a llama from its official site and make sure it's running. Then pull a compatible open-source model, such as a lightweight llama or Mistral variant, so you get responsive completions without heavy hardware. In Claude Code settings or CLI configuration, switch the provider to a llama. Set the base URL to your llama server, and pick the model name you installed. This gives you fast, private, and offline-friendly coding help. If you are on limited hardware, choose smaller or quantized models for smoother performance and keep a llama up to date for speed and stability improvements. Next, OpenRouter lets you use free model endpoints with an account and an API key. Create your account, generate a key, and store it securely using an environment variable or your system's credential manager. In the Claude Code config, change the API base to OpenRouter's endpoint and select one of their free models. Be mindful of rate limits and availability. Free tiers can change, so check the OpenRouter dashboard for current options and quotas. If completions slow down or cap out, try another listed free model or run a local fallback in a llama so you are never blocked. Never paste your key into code files or share it publicly. Finally, NVIDIA NIM provides free inference endpoints for certain models, like GLM 4.7, without requiring a powerful GPU. Request access if needed, then note the endpoint URL and token provided in your dashboard. Point Claude Code to the NIM base URL, set your secure token in the environment, and choose a free model available in your region. This path is great for heavier tasks when local hardware can't keep up. Just remember that quotas, regional access, and latency depend on current NVIDIA offerings. So pick the endpoint that's closest and available. With those three options configured, you can code with Claude Code at no cost by routing to a llama, OpenRouter, or NVIDIA NIM instead of Anthropic's paid API. Test your setup by generating a quick function or refactoring a file, and confirm responses are coming from your selected provider. Thanks for watching.